Hello and welcome to a quick how-to and why guide for community lot fits. So today we're going to be going over the benefits of the lot fit analysis, and first I'm going to show you how to find it. So from Dropbox you go to Elliott Homes team folder, site specific information, and then find the community. So I'll pick Florence Gardens. All the communities have 0, 1, and then the community information. Go to the phase, then lot fits. Be able to pick which plan you'd like to see, and there it is pulled up. So very quickly to go over the back office estimating, first we're able to see the topo and the wetlands and other things that allow us to calculate area costs. We're also just able to see the clearing and sod areas. So for example, this will be the area from a sales perspective when you're talking to the client. The green area will be what Elliott Homes will sod. This will be left as natural vegetation, and this will be the layout of the house on the lot. For lot issues, we're also able to understand if there's culverts in the way, fire hydrants, drainage easements, like there's a drainage easement along the back of this, and be able to determine that prior to release to the field. Selling the right house plan. So obviously this is one of the most important issues here. So I'm going to go to another development that has a little bit different information. So we go back to site specific information, and then I'm going to go to Village Green. Phase 2, lot fits, and then when you click on the plan, it has all of these different options. So front, side, everything else. So right now I'm going to go to the 3-car front. You can kind of see, obviously there is the sod and everything else. It also shows which lots this plan will fit on. The rest of them, obviously, it does not. From a site plan perspective as well, it has the length and width of the lot on this one here. Sorry. So you can zoom in. You can find the area of the lot, the length, the width, and then zoom in more to be able to see the dimensions of the backyard. That way you could print this out, go over with the client, look and see if they have any issues, if they would like a pool here, if they would like an outdoor pavilion or a shed, if they have a boat that they need to store in the backyard or something like that, and talk to them about it before it goes to permitting. That's about it. Of course, if you have any other questions, please reach out. Thank you.